Ayun, how does it feel po na nanalo si Marian as Best Actress?
Well, I'm so proud of her. Pinaghirapan namin yan. Grabe yung emotional at physical na binigay niya sa role. So, I'm just really, really happy for her.
6 days po. 6 days kasi yung pag-shooting, no? Kamusta po siya bilang actress?
Well, madali. Tsaka ginawa niya lahat. So, wala, hindi ako nagka-problema. Tapos she's so nice, on time palagi, papakain sa mga tao. And naging close na siya sa cast talaga, kahit in a very short amount of time. She's a very pleasant, very warm person to be with. And she actually understands kung ano ginagawa ng pelikula. And mas madali ka-work yung isang actress na gets niya kung what the film is about.
Sabi nga nila ng mga netizens at mga nakapanood na Marian Rivera's best film to date is yung Balota, diba? So, you bring out the best in her po when it comes sa kanyang pag-acting dito. Parang first pick niyo po ba siya sa Balota? Yung last year po siyang in-announce?
Well, when it was floated, I was open to it. Pero initially, syempre hindi ko naman alam kung kaya ni schedule. Pero when it was game ako kasi napanood ko siya previously sa YouTube, doon sa isang Himala video niya na napakalalim ng emotion niya. So, I was very happy when she was cast.
Fan ka ba ni Marian po?
Well, I mean, the movies niya, like fan ako ng Kung Fu Divas. Hindi kasi ako mateleserye na tao. Pero mga movies na like, super enjoy ako sa Kung Fu Divas. One of my comfort favorite parts.
Tapos ngayon po, which is Balota, but out of the box naman po. May chance po ba na maging commercially released po ito?
Yes.
Wow! Is this for this year po?
Hindi siya may chance. Mangyayari siya.
Wow! This year po ba? Direct?
Yes.
Wow!
I think... May pasabog kasi namin. Kailan rin?
Yes. And may international festival na rin kami. So, we're gonna go nationwide and then we already have an international festival invitation. So, happy naman kami.
Congrats, Direct po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
Yay! Kaming dalawa ni Direk. Direk, hawakan mo yan. Ikaw ang isang inaalayan ko dyan.
Bakit ako kayo ng best actress? Hindi mo ng best actress.
Sir, excuse me po. Cellphone po.
Thank you!
Yes! Dad party soon daw. Oo nga, dad. Like tatlo, please.
Magsisinimalaya ba si Dong next? Parang pa, na patikim mo.
Salamat sa inyo. Salamat. Happy birthday para bukas. Thank you.
Wala si Rams.